Masjid al-Qiblatain, the most beautiful and historical mosque in Medina. Masjid al-Qiblatain, also known as the Mosque of the Two Qiblas, is located in Medina and holds special importance in Islamic history. The mosque is among the earliest mosques in Medina and was built by Sawad ibn Ghanam ibn Ka'b al-Ansari in the Islamic year 2 after Hijrat. Prophet got revelation in the same year to change prayer direction from Jerusalem to the Kaaba. As one of the three oldest mosques in Islam, the Qibla Mosque holds historical and spiritual significance. Before renovations, it uniquely featured two Qiblas, symbolizing the change in the direction of prayer. Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him led multiple prayers in Qiblatain Mosque Medina, making it a site of great reverence for Muslims around the world. The Mosque Qiblatain is also the site of one of the most profound revelations in the Quran. Many Muslims believe that visiting this sacred mosque deepens their connection with Allah. The mosque is especially busy during the holy months of Ramadan and Zil-Hajj, drawing Muslim pilgrims from across the globe. Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him was given a divine directive in Rajab Tuah to shift the Qibla from Jerusalem's Bayt al-Maqdis to Mecca's Kaaba. Before this revelation, Muslims, including Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him, prayed facing Jerusalem. Even after migrating to Medina, Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him continued praying towards Jerusalem for 16 months. During this time, he hoped and privately believed that the Qibla would change to the Kaaba. The revelation of the following verse from Surah Al-Baqarah during a Duhar prayer marked a turning point. Allah commanded in Quran chapter 2 verse 144. Verily, we have seen the turning of your, Muhammad's, face towards heaven. Surely, we shall turn you to a Qibla, prayer direction, that shall please you, so turn your face in the direction of Al-Masjid Al-Haram, at Makkah. And wherever you people are, turn your faces, in prayer, in that direction. Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him and his companions turned toward the Kaaba in the middle of the prayer, finishing it with the new Qibla in front of them. From that moment onward, the Kaaba became the permanent direction of prayer for Muslims. So, before renovation in 1987 during the reign of King Fahd, the mosque had two mihrabs or prayer directions, one indicating the direction of Jerusalem and the other towards the Kaaba. The mosque's connection to the Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him makes it a revered site for Muslims worldwide.
Thanks for watching. If you think it's worth watching, please support to subscribe, like and share with your loving friends. Thank you very much.